chieng'. Jalup jatend piny Kithure Kindiki opwoyo okang' ma chenro ma Taifa Care osekelo kowacho ni biro konyo ahinya e yore mag yudo thieth e pacho ka. Kanoloso e pare makare ne buore Nairobi e kinde romo manokelo kanyakla jotelo mawuok kadho nam chumbi, Kindiki nolero ni kwan ji maromo milion 25 osendikore e chenro mar thieth mar SHA. Omedo ni chenro no biro kelo lokruok maduong' kowacho ni sirikal ma pacho ka geto mar neno ni kwan ji maromo milion 40 nyaka milion 45 ondikore e chenro e bwo higa achiel mabiro.
Honor your invitation. We are grateful and thankful. Which we did letters, we did the
about this.
No. It was quite late. It was, some of us knew. Having said that, because of time, I want to open it up. Could we?
Sasa wananiambia watu wananiambia wewe uko broad base.
Airport. We know the kind of revenues that Kenya is going to be expecting.
Today we are celebrating because today around 12 noon, we hit the 25 million Kenyans registration mark, Kenyans who have registered for medical insurance. We want to onboard and make sure as many Kenyans as possible have a public medical insurance available for them. And then the next step now is to perfect that insurance. We improve equipping hospitals, making drugs available, the health personnel issues, the reimbursement system, and making sure that facilities are reimbursed for the actual expenditure. This fine-tuning is going to be the work for the next 5 or so years. It's not going to be perfect on day one.